Busy Monday morning, while Bob's traveling to the office, he receives a message from his wife. "Refrigerator is not working, please call for maintenance." Oh, not again! Within a week of the TV, it's the refrigerator now. How painful it was getting their customer service number and the time wasted retrieving the login to their customer portal. Bob's really confused as the day is going to be hectic. As he goes to pick up the water from the fridge, he remembers his wife's message. OMG, I forgot to log a service complaint on the fridge at home. Then his colleague Mike joins him for lunch, and Bob opens up the issue with the home fridge. Mike tells him the easy way of doing it with your pocket end-to-end asset management app, Happellianz. It's easy to register with your phone number, set up your profile, start creating your digital record by adding info like product name, brand name, model information, seller details. Just choose the start date and maintain the period for warranty, extended warranty, annual maintenance contract, AMC, or insurance. You can upload the product invoice to keep as proof of purchase as an image or PDF. Happellianz will create calendar events and will send notification before expiry of each of the event's warranty AMC. More than that, you can log a service call by speaking to customer service or raise a ticket to 400 plus brands across 100 product types, including your vehicles. Oh, Mike, that's a great thing that'll make life easy for everyone doing things at the click of a button. I'll download Happellianz from Google Play Store right away and log my complaint. Thanks for the information. You made my day. Happellianz, for a happy e-alliance between the customer, retailer, and service provider to manage all your home or business appliances on the go with a single sign-on. Try it today.